I ngasai so haizage duni Manipur da Akoijam chatlaga isi huji campaign tawaya ama tawaya yum chatlaga phamung ama leirongani chana ba leirongani set na ba fi leiri aduna tabida tha tarama thoi mayum ma kai thado leiri ba mayam se santi leire akoi kana luhong odong zum thoi natra normal loiba mali bse oida ba kangbu ma leiri se khoi kaw loidam ne bisina naw nga tane irei chang nga tane irang je tholei bse ko so I ahan by no naga do se makoi se izat leina mayum mak ida phazana muhanjalaga hanagi fibumda take the kaidan nan leina ba khona bado madune ai major effort asi yaw raga de khoina santi lei highway state sida sungya yaroi I am saying is that my first priority is to ensure that these displaced people go back to their original home and can lead a normal life and dignified life. That will be my effort, because without that we can say that we have normalcy in the state. All of us have a normal life. You can go back, I can go back home, I can have a bed to sleep, I have clothes to wear. But these people do not have it for the last 11 months. We shouldn't forget that. It's a traumatic experience. All of us think that we have a normal life. You guys are taking interview. You have clothes to wear, you can go back home. These people don't have it. And it is a stark reminder to us, as long as they're traumatized, we must feel their trauma. If you don't feel their trauma, then we are not citizens of this land.